Welcome to Don Carinderia Series Plus. The long wait is finally over, guys. I'm now here at IKEA Philippines and I'm so excited. Before you can enter the IKEA store, you need to meet some requirements. First, you need to be an IKEA family member. And to do that, go to their IKEA.ph website and register there. And don't you worry about paying fees, it's for free, guys. Unlike other establishments like SM and SNR. Every time you do some online shopping or go to their physical store to buy stuff or eat at their cafe, you'll earn points. So for every peso, you'll earn a point. And then for every 200 points, you'll get a redeemable amount. Malino ba? So right now, they don't allow walk-in customers yet, so register now! So if you're already an IKEA family member, go to their website and book a slot for your shopping galore! So I went back to IKEA.ph and tried to book a slot again. I'm not sure if it's down at the moment, but I cannot book a slot right now. Try it yourself. So once you were given a booking slot by IKEA, you'll receive an email with a QR code. So make sure that you bring that with you. And then also bring your vaccination card because they don't allow unvaccinated customers to eat at their cafe. So they suggest that you get there 30 minutes before your scheduled slot. So 9:30 andito na ako. So, andito na ako at IKEA. Naku, mukhang hindi pa the entrance. See you later. So from the ground, take the escalator one floor up and you will be welcomed by this long queue. There's a separate line for people with disabilities and for senior citizens. So make sure that you're wearing comfy clothes and comfy shoes since you will be doing a lot of waiting. Before entering the actual store, they will search for the QR code from your email. Finally, I got in, but inside the store, they will ask you to wait again. Someone announced that the store will open at 10 o'clock. Yay! Here's a familiar face. He is the IKEA Market Development Manager, George Platzer. Welcome, sir. I am now approaching the 4th level. This is where the cafeteria is located. I need to have my coffee fix and I need to eat that Swedish meatballs again. If you're going shopping, you can borrow these yellow bags, but if you're going to eat at their cafeteria, you're not allowed to carry them with you. My plan is to eat first before doing any shopping, so I need to wait in line again. By the way, you need to bring your vaccination card if you're going to eat at their cafeteria. I cannot wait to taste their meatballs again. I'm excited. There are 3 options. 12 pieces will set you back $199. 16 pieces is $239. And the 20 pieces will cost you $275 pesos. So currently they offer chicken wings here at the cafeteria. I asked for the spaghetti, but I was informed that it's not available yet. They also have salmon. So you have these choices. For dessert, I got this Dame, which is almond chocolate cake. Yummy! I love this IKEA cart because you can carry as much as 3 trays at once. You don't need to go back and forth anymore. Again, there's a line again at the counter, so you need to be patient, guys. I tried using my UCPB debit card, but it didn't work. So good thing I still have money in my GCash. I also earned IKEA family points. Super satisfied with my brunch. The 16-piece meatball is enough to fill up my tummy. And the Dame cake is superb. I also had 2 servings ng coffee, only coffee nila, and the carbonated drink. The mushroom soup, since the line was long, it's not warm anymore, so I wouldn't get it next time pag mahaba pila. I suddenly miss my baby poo, Coco! The small toy costs $500. I got the bigger version. I suddenly found myself in the kitchen showrooms. These showrooms provide inspirations to those who are redesigning their homes. Perfect for my friends Len and Norman. Nice yung design ng mga plates on the wall. Who says you can't mix and match pendant lamps? I like the contrast between the neutral colored walls and the colorful decorations here. Brown walls, why not pair it with black or neutral colored decorations? This is perfect for our urban gardens. Medyo twice na ako namatayan ng English ivy, so this could be the solution to my problem. This is a design inspiration for gamers out there. They have this gaming table that costs 20,000. And that can be adjusted by pushing those buttons that you see on the bottom right, and it's beautiful in black. I love this section. Every product under 100 pesos. This is a haven for the budget conscious people like me. More lamps to choose from. Love this. If you're not a fan of white, they have other designs, including industrial and playful designs. If you don't have green thumbs, this section is for you. You can actually buy artificial plants to decorate your homes. While I'm out shopping, I've been thinking about my baby, Pooh, Coco. So I had to end my shopping and go back home to my baby. So what did I buy from my first IKEA shopping experience in Pasay? Here we go. First in the list is this golden plushie that reminds me of my baby. A couple of glasses colored pink and turquoise. Spell turquoise. Blue na lang po. Napakamura, 70 pesos lang po. I also got a pair of carafes. Lagyan lang ng lemon slice, pang social na. Got this lint roller for 30 pesos. If you own a golden, you would understand. Christmas is coming, so I need a decent corkscrew, you know. I also bought this picture frame, and IKEA has a wide selection of picture frames. Check them out. I'm a huge fan of sheepskin, so I bought this, and you can use this as a rug or you can drape it over your chair for extra coziness. Here's my baby Coco checking out the other golden. I will see you again IKEA next year for more shopping. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.